I did join I can't see that Kanban board.
Okay. We'll try to work that out then. Let's.
No, I was saying I can see it. I'm on it.
Oh, you can see. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
You can. CAN. Got it. Hello. Can I see it? I'm logged in still. Oh, at first.
Don't.
No.
Mine do. Mine do have school on Monday. Yeah, our kids do. Yeah,
So,
I think we might try and put a maybe, we could go see you in Canada.
okay. Awesome. So until you actually get something, you won't show up.
Oh, yeah.
But anyway, so here's the board. You said you've seen this, so that's good. What we'll do is
Yeah, I'm logged into it. I can see it.
awesome. What I'll do is I'll put things in the backlog, and then you just take things out of the backlog. Whoops. Then you can edit it. Maybe.
At first, I was trying to get to it through like our OWL4 like Jira, but
Oh yeah.
but it wasn't working. Like the link kept making me like create a new account like under the Mantech email, so I just ended up doing that. Like I don't know.
No. That's fine. Any way that you can do it. I don't know why this isn't popping out another window. What is going on? Seriously. Why is this not popping out another window? Oh no, I don't want to do that. Is it me, Graham? Or I thought I could have just one
I
screen
think
with it.
I think the backlog pops up on the right hand side, like it's doing there.
I guess what I'm saying is I could have swore yes. Okay. I'm not crazy. Well, then I thought you could get rid of this. No, I don't think that. Anyway. So yeah, we've just been adding comments to whatever like that. So for obviously this one, just grabbing a quick example. It's assigned to it's the work over here. This is so weird. Oh, can I not assign it? I thought because this isn't me, right? This is the PFE account. So I'm going to make where's my center? Oh, there we go. Because Brian, I also use my work one. What? What? This works. What are you talking about? Does it use AFS?
Sorry, I didn't mean to derail things with the website.
Nuh-uh. No, literally this worked for me. Okay. It's using my AFS. Well, no, I want you to actually see how we're gonna do the ticket. So no, there was no derailment. I'm actually gonna do an official one, but for right now, this is good to go. All right. Okay. So when you log in, did you get this? Okay. Oh wait, you weren't even on the project yet. Hey, I think I just added you. Yeah. Well, you should be on.
Like I'm on that page you're on right now, the board right there.
Right.
And I see my like initials right next to where your guys' are. Yeah, like right there.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
On my screen.
Awesome. So here in this backlog specifically is where I'm going to put all the new ones. And for instance, we were just doing this one. I don't know why again. Just double click on it. I like the bigger.
Season doesn't start.
Bam.
So it's spring.
And then you'll come up. But I don't know if there's any. I don't know if I did the research ones just yet. Those were the ones I was going to get you on specifically. Research. Let's just. Just want to see if I can assign my filter. Yeah. Enter. There we go. And yeah, I can't assign that my account because I'm just a regular user on my account. But now can you go and go look for a PFE-43 on the Epic and assign it to yourself, Brian?
Let's see.
My laptop's having a hard time over here.
I just updated the permissions on your account there, Ron.
Oh, actually, I wanted to kind of keep it that way.
Oh.
I needed to speak to you about that also. Let me write that down.
Oh.
Because yeah, I like the account. I like having us just users, you know what I'm saying? Being able to obviously get the sweet, look at that, that's awesome sauce. Be able to grab the tickets and be able to move them. That's what I was going to show here. But as far as like permanent delete, you know what I'm saying? Some maybe more of those destructive actions, if you will. Even though it may not be intentional, we don't want to do rework because somebody, fat finger something. Anyway, I'll get with you on that, but appreciate it.
That's fine. I can pull you up.
Yeah, I was gonna say maybe that actually needs to be a ticket. Who put?
All right, I removed you from the Evans.
No, that's cool. Again, yeah, I literally wrote that down. I was like, all right, sweet. Yeah, that's something. And again, we don't have to figure out today, right now, but definitely we need a permissions model. All right. Yeah, I really like this.
And would you?
Are you creating that? Or am I creating that?
What?
Permissions. What am I trying to say? Hierarchy. What did I just say? Permissions. Structure. Sure. So as me, what can I do? And then, yeah, okay, so I can still create them here. And then I guess as the actual admin guy, he can assign it. So yeah, that is the way that I want them. Anybody can create and only you can, well, I'm sorry, admin can assign you or you yourself can assign you, but I couldn't assign you as Ron. As far as, the permission model. That's what I was trying to say, permission model. All right. Normal users equals user at email. And then we have one admin user. And it's the sandbox. I guess we can have more than one admin. But I think we're just going to treat this as the admin account. Sandbox EC2. So for normal users, we'll just say be able to create, delete, not accept, is accept, what is that called when you assign? assign ASS IT and create, delete, assign to themselves, I should say. If that makes sense. Cheers. All right. This is allowed. Yeah, how come I'm going crazy on the double letters? Well, hello. Sorry. Assign to other. Delete. What am I saying? Other. The other user. Tickets. Right? One of these tickets, right? Yeah, whatever. That's what we're calling. Allowed to assign to other users. Other. Or to the other user tickets. And you can't create a ticket. Naturally, you can't create a ticket and assign it to someone else. So that's good. So to other user, I guess you can't do this, right? But I think you can do this right now. Anyway, whoever picks up this ticket, they'll figure it out. Or we'll figure it out together. It's not a one person has to do this. Just figuring out the parameters right now. Does that make sense though, fellas? Or am I missing anything? Not really considering anything that you can think
I
of?
think that makes sense for the most part. But I do believe that we are tied into the 3 groups that we get by default because we're using the free version.
True. And one of them isn't where you can restrict and delete.
I
I
can
mean, if
can
that's
dig
true, that's
further
just
into
true.
it, but I don't
Right.
believe so.
But I hear what you're saying. And yeah, and we do have to, I'll put that. The free. So this may or may not, as 2 grams points, be valid as far as being able to limit this. And I get that. Yeah. All right. Create, delete, send, not allowed to send to other users, which is delete other users, which you can. Is there anything else? And of course, admin. And yeah, Greg, we'll all figure out that thing next. Anyway, sweet. So we got that in Jira. So let's go ahead and get back started. Sorry for those my computers and kill some program. So what is going on? Okay. Woo. Man, I clicked that like 5 minutes ago. Hold on, let me close out some of this other crap that I had. Close that out. Okay, from what we were working on earlier. we were able to get the process status. Next, I want to start working on the format. Now, let's go to private. And, seriously.
Oh. 500.
Sweet. All right, edible. Sweet. Good times. Yeah, of course not. So, well, in that case, that ticket will be moot, and we just have to be careful. There you go. uh, all right.
Really like it. What is something's changed? There are two vegetables.
Yeah, enter. What's going on? Can y'all see my screen still?
Yeah, I can still see it.
It's there. Your
Okay.
prompt doesn't have anything in it though.
I know. That's why I'm like, what's going on? I was hoping y'all were like, no, we see something totally different on there. Okay. Do we have it not in debug mode anymore? Is that what that's going on?
No, it's still in debug mode. I didn't change that. I just moved an icon image.
Again, I'm not. It's not a. It's more of a. What's going on? Huh. I'm closing things out over here. You know. Why are you failing?
She has a business version.
Oh, this is disturbing me.
You get the same result if you run it out of code.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that next. I'm just well, sorry. On my other screen, I got, like I said, I was closing out windows. You know, I'm trying to free up more memory and stuff. So now my task manager, I'm just trying to kill some of those other things. But yeah, I'll try code. Go to the love, yo. Can't kill them either. That's the weird part.
All this walls.
The joys. How's it on your end, Graham? All is well?
Yeah. I went ahead and made sure that I was up to date and closed out the app and restarted it and it started right up.
I'm definitely thinking it's my computer. All right. I think I'm gonna get the old Microsoft. And my task manager is like, nah. Yeah. I think I'm gonna give this thing a reboot and wow.
It just short. And she had it done safe.
And fellas, yeah, we're gonna take a quick 10 minutes. Let me restart and come back on. So yeah, y'all stand tight for a little bit. Thank you.
Okay.
This I want.
All right, I made it back in. All right. Quick mic check.
Yep, gotcha. My internet came
Sweet.
back up.
Sweet. Awesome. I don't know, man. Maybe we had a glitch in the matrix, y'all. All right. So we definitely need these two. Just go from here. See the documents. Oh. Oh, sweet. It was recording that whole time. All right. Well, I'll definitely edit that out. See. And then that's it. All right. All right. Excuse me. Documents code 7. Get status. And get that. I don't think I did anything, but whatever. Yeah. Like, yeah. Okay. All is right in the world. All right. Let me. Great. Awesome. Server stats. Where we left off. Awesome. Oh, that looks good. It's interesting how these, I know they're 3, 4. Anyway, I'm not going to be too big. Let's go. Got this. Go back here to the code. Oh, well, duh, I'm here now. So let's go back to, you know what, let me make sure, even though I am here, let me make sure. So it'll be, sweet. And that IP that I kicked out earlier, that's going to be obviously the public IP. And then I'm going to set up the username password for the RDP session. And you'll be able to RDP into it. And then obviously, let's see if I can. Just hit open. Where are you? I'm going to do that IP so you can see you could do the same thing. Copy. Paste. This might not work until I get port forwarding on that IP. Okay, let's get loose. What is 254? Wait. No. I think I gave y'all the wrong host. Really? I would do that. No, yeah, you have to RDP in here. RDP in here. And then you can.
Have something that's. But I just, I can't stand it. I even have on ours, but like, just like, right, pretty much first.
I'm gonna check this out now, fellas, and we'll get back there. Okay,
Feel it.
25. This maps to 10, 10, 10, 25 over here. So that's what I'm gonna map that IP that you can hit to this. I'm sorry, I'm gonna port forward that IP. Oh, okay. So this is probably true. And it was true in the first instance as well. Let me, I thought we turned on. Desktop settings. Nope, it wasn't enabled.
Did you put your stuff in this point already? Did you already put your today's hours? No. Didn't know. Find the stuff here at Building Down.
Okay, now let's try this again. Oh, that looks better. Sweet. I don't know if it's gonna. And then this one said we'll get, I think it's PFE. What did I name us? Who's on the computer? Oh, PFE, sweet. Keep it simple, stupid. Yeah. Okay, oh, sweet. Yeah. Yeah. The remote connection actually popped over there. So, all right. So you all will be able to do this. You gotta go, Bianca. Bye. Obviously, you'll have access just like this, and then that way you're able to log into vCenter. Yeah. This thing's pretty snappy for. I guess I'm on the same network. We'll have to see if we could do that with the remote session really quick. So this is what it looks like. And then this way, obviously, you don't have to come in necessarily, right? Of course, only one person can be on at a time. And I don't imagine us needing to be on it too much. I guess only to pop on, do a couple of scripts or whatever we need to do and then pop off. But if not, if somebody else tries to join, well, be mindful to log off because I know if I try to join and I don't think you're logged on, I'm gonna just try to log in. This ain't. All right. Close. Yep. Now I want to try with the remote IP. And then if that doesn't work, which I'm suspecting it won't, I'll go ahead and turn on port forwarding. Well, I won't do that right now. I'll do that later and then I'll let you all know that I did it. Yeah, port forwarding. It's me. Maybe, maybe, maybe. No. Or and I guess I should have asked one of y'all to try it because yeah, so it's definitely port forwarding needs to be turned on. So never mind. I knew that. Moving on. And I'll send that information out. We already got the app on it? Yeah. Status. Sweet. Go back to coding. So now I'm in a bit of a quandary. Hey, Graham, because I think you were kind of alluding to it earlier. Obviously, we're gonna test these out right here, right now for the server because I'm here locally. But when I'm, at the house, even the RDP session will be good because obviously I'll be able to push to the repo there and then RDP in, and I can just use that desktop. That is no problem. That's not a problem at all. But as far as if I don't use that RDP session, I guess there's not an issue because that's what I want to do. I want code here, but the problem, not problem, I guess what I'm trying to say is every time I go to test this on my local box, it's going to give me a fail, hey? Whereas,
anytime you do the get performance data, yeah.
well, won't that be called when I render the web page?
As of right now, we're getting system stats and not performance data. We swapped it over, right? So that's your local box.
Yeah, correct. Right now, yes, correct. I guess what I'm trying to say is, when I write this same thing, right? To your point, this is writing it just to, got it, yeah. Right, because we're using this file in our app.py. Your point, we're not using this, and we want to use this, and that's what I'm trying to say. We can't use the VMware functions, if you will, all the good stuff that they've already had without being on that system. And it's not an issue because, as you just saw, I mean, I'm gonna open an RDP and we can RDP to it. But as far as when you're coding and do not have access to the system, you're not going to be able to test locally on your box. So you're going to write a whole bunch of code. You're going to be like, "Yep, hope it works." Kind of what Mark's going through, and I understand. It's like Mark's like, "Yeah, I hope it works." Then as soon as he gets in here and tries to put it in, he's like, "All right, got this issue, that issue." You know what I'm saying? It was different from when he was at home working it, looking at, all right, hey, make sure this parameter goes through, blah, blah, blah. Here in app, and then I need a template. Yeah, this worked out like a champion. So what I did find, this could be anything too, by the way. It doesn't have to be just a div. If anything, if we want to get even more fancy, we probably need to assign these set names and render it if, again, I envision this just being a list of all the host names. And you click on that, and then this particular statistic of, oh, you're right, we did this one. So you're right, I see what you mean. The list of, right, because we were just making this work, giving a thumbs up like, okay, hey, we definitely have a baseline script. But the difference between this particular get performance and the 1 gram that I think you found, get perform data, here we go, is that he was pulling it all from VMware.
Yeah,
and that's where all of our stuff is, right? And it can do the host itself too, right? I didn't really look too deep into it. Shit. Here's the host.
Yeah, it should be doing
Yeah.
as well.
We're just trying to see what it pulls. Okay, yeah. It does host too. I totally assumed that, but that's why you got to read the code. All right. So again, all the stuff that we want to put here on the page, as we're just pointing out, we can pull all that data through this just one particular file because we're going to pull it through VMware, right? It'll be a CPU, memory. But we'll be able to get the processes. Is that in here? Oh, capacity free. Power state. We don't really care about that really. Yeah, this is just running the print function. Yeah, it hooks that up. Oh yeah, so it does not go onto the host itself.
Yeah, I think
To
you would have
pull
to
the-
actually pass in creds for that. You'd be able to get the CPU utilization, but as far as like how we're pulling like top processes and things like that for utilization, you wouldn't be able to pull that data unless you were logging into the actual thing and passing those creds.
Oh, into the VM itself. Yeah. Is that even a thing? And we just need to add on to here? Google.
I have no idea.
See, running task. No. OS. VMware guest. VM. In the guest OS. Yeah. Find the processor running in the guest OS. Yeah. All right. Python. I don't want to run a command though. Is that what you were saying? Run a command? Maybe we do. That's PowerShell. All right. Click this out some of these. Let's see. Good process manager. Yeah, to your point, we gotta pass in credits. Tools doesn't do that for you.
There is an execute program in VM.py in the PyVami community samples.
Okay.
You may be able to do something like top or PS util.
I'm literally here. You mean this Paviani?
Yeah. No. Look in Signal. So I've stolen a lot of their stuff, but in Signal I sent a link for the community samples.
Got it. Yeah. Which one was?
It's going to be execute program in VM. So E.
Yeah, let's see if we can steal. So this stuff we all pass in, right? Oh, but then we got to get UUID, huh? Yeah. Let's see. Tool status, checking tools. Here's where you talked about, you're right, passing in creds to the VM user, VM password. And this was doing the Git operations process manager. Here we go. It's program spec, programs, the PID, and the result. So it's going to be the PID, obviously, and then whatever program. Can we not? Because you're right. This is the part that we could probably just copy and steal a lot of this stuff. Because we already have a service instance going. We don't have to pass in args. We can wonder if we can just steal some of this stuff, eh? What do you think, Grant? What you thinking?
I'm thinking, how are we gonna be able to pull the UUID from that to even?
Thank you.
Get
Thank
it
you. I
to
did.
sort of
I
even work.
mentioned that that was a concern, and then I just went kind of past it. You are correct. Optional.
We could run like a git VMs command. Only issue I think we might run into is if
Maybe we don't need that.
Huh?
Maybe we don't need that. Maybe because, sorry, I just want to see where it's also passed. Yeah, because you're correct. I don't think we might not need that. UUID. ID. Oh, see, we don't. If not, if it's UUID, they'll go on that. If not, it's going to go on VMA. Yeah, I think we're good. See, look, optional. Bam. I don't know why VM name, user, and pass would be optional, but that's, I'm just reading what it says. But no matter what, this is a if, right? So if UUID, cool. LF, if VM name, so we definitely need, so even though these are optional, if you don't have this, you need that. If not, raise unable to locate the virtual machine, right? So it won't be able to do either. So I think we're good, meaning that it'll always go to LF. Capiche?
Yeah.
All right, copy pasta. Yeah, because we already got this part. Not worried about that. Yeah, copy pasta away. Let's go. Wait, I thought there was one that we never fixed. Oh, so this is not working. Correct. Got it. Not working. Not working, Ron.
What's not working?
This one, right?
The performance data works.
The get perform data. Yeah, not the status. The status is good.
They both should work in their own right. Performance data is pulling the vCenter info though. That's the reason it wasn't working.
Yeah, but we on there now. So you're right. Let's test. Always test. Looks like it's working. Like my man Grant said, no problems here. Okay. Get back on track. All right. So back to the OG of up. So we're just missing the help me out. The return 0. Don't want to go that far. No, that's fine. I'll just return back to the 1. That's interesting. I'll just take it with you. 0. I'm gonna make my own def. No, it's its own as def. You don't have to do that. You already got a return 0. Sorry. I won't have to do this because I'm gonna be let's see. This is gonna go inside. Copy. Pasta time. All right. Oh, so I did need to make it its own dev. Hey, can we get rid of these then? Because wait, never mind. No, sorry. Don't worry about what I said. Okay. Regions. Sweet. I need to log in. Get it registered. Okay. All is well. So just want to go ahead and get rid of that. It's garbage. All right. Where do I need to paste? Red compute resource.
Did you just get rid of all the parser arguments?
Yeah.
You know that the web page isn't pulling from this, right?
What do you mean? It will be once we're done. We're
Oh,
getting
okay.
rid of that. It's gonna have that return. It's gonna look just like this.
Okay.
It'll look just like this.
I'm down. Let's do it.
Hold on. It's going to. Yeah. Because in here, we just didn't put that in here yet. That's what we're coding up right now. I said you have a good weekend as well. Hey, we're off Monday. Be relaxing.
Yeah.
Good luck to you. I'll be out there in the cold tonight. All right, so difference. So yeah, you're right. We need this. How did I write stats title? Oh, okay. Because I rendered everything in here. I'll add more crap to this one, but I still didn't get host name that I want and stats title here. Yeah, all right. So here's how we're gonna do it. Yeah, I'm gonna go here. Yeah, we don't need that parser information. I don't think we need main either, right? I'm gonna literally do it like this. And then I shouldn't call because it's not really a main. Well, it's making a main, I guess. Sorry, still the system stats. I think I went back to the design. I think I missed out one column here, or one entry, I'm sorry. Oh, memory. So I got system stats, I got CPU, I need memory, disk IO, and process. Let's go back here. I got CPU, memory, that. So I need disk IO. Put that in the middle. After memory and before process. After memory, before process. So change this to before. So 3 minutes. System IO. Disk IO stats. So we're just fixing that one for this. And then we actually need to go on to the status HTML and create that that card class. But real quick, because I'm gonna steal this, I just want to make sure it's right in this one before we go refactor get perform data. So I'm wondering if I should just put it in here. I don't even think I need that SI. Stream content, because I think I got that already. Keep going, keep going. It must be already there. And I think I just want to put it right after, right before. Trying to decide, because yeah, we don't need this anymore. Plant. But it's calling each, because we're going to turn all these print statements into dictionaries. Graham showed us how. They have information. Don't care about that. I'll return virtual machine. What does virtual machine come in at? So suspecting the virtual machine list come in. Child entity. The virtual machine comes online. Smart Connect. Okay. I want to turn all these prints into gets. And here's what I'm going to do the get. What's this data? ROC. Get it. Copy pasta. Put on and then shift it. That one. And that fix that. So I gotta come in here. Just need to fix that. I'm coming here. I just wanted to make sure my spacing was good. Shift. Yeah. Tab. There we go. Sweet. Return. Okay, let's look on the irregular expression. And then I need to go flip these arcs. So I'm going to import RE. Hopefully that'll. Now I think I need to go. Let me kill this. So stuff's highlighting it. All right. I think we can get rid of all the arcs. Yeah. So we'll do. Save place. Arcs. Those are the ones I'll replace. It's not that sure. So that one, go up to that one, to that one, that one, that one, kill think I want to kill all of them. All right. Now we need to make these. Where are we pulling the host information? Oh, are we not doing the? Oh, that's in the main. Got it. Like, where's this at? All right, so let's. We can get rid of all of this. Just go here. Delete that. All right. Just not boilerplate. Good here. Username, password, content. So that's what we need to put. Maybe that's what I should have. Right, because that's what the that's how I retrieve content, right? Let's see if I can do that. So if you give that the and then I think I need to change all those. Oh, got it. So this is where I'm going to start running the main. So this is where I need to pull actually in content. So content. So I should have replaced arcs with content. Crap. All right, and pose become. We'll see. Hopefully this works. Yes. Probably. Might not have been content. What was that? Get system proc. Get proc data. Let's call that. Control C. Go down to the bottom. Control V. All right. Let's see. No, we're gonna get some here. Oh, you know what? We're not returning now. Remember I said I gotta steal these. And then I gotta do the app context processor to copy. Put these done. I'll put it right before my. Well, yeah, these are, sorry. This probably need to be at top. That's what needs to process first. Right up. There we go. I think I got to import. I'll just do this. Be easy. App is not. Do I have it defined here? Nope. Yes, I do. So process. We didn't have to import that though, right?
For
Yeah, we
the
did.
process, you do have to import it, but it is built in, so you don't have to.
Got it.
install
It wasn't a pip install. It was got it. Yep. You just need to include it. See. This one's going ham. How we looking now? Okay. Stats title. I know we need to get a return. I just want the stuff I brought in. I want to make sure we're good. Yeah. Yeah. All right. So now I need to go grab that return. And then you just all have to turn. Get I'll do this. Yeah, sweet. So, right, I just need to match these up to the ones that VMware provides now, right? So that's what we're going to do now. Well, you know what? Let's see what kind of errors we'll get. Well, I already know what errors we're going to get because these are defined. Yep, that's good. So main's good. So now we need to turn these into function dictionaries. I think this one was good. Yep, because I think I got it here. And now what we're going to call CPU. Scroll up to the top for CPU. Data store. Compute. What does this mean? That's just the resource name of the host. Who cares? CPU. There we go. So I wonder what prints out CPU, because we're only getting pulling from stats from CPU. Oh, stats. That's a quick summary. Oh, it's the summary. The stats is the quick stacks of the summary. So the summary got a grip of stuff in it. Where's the return? Print. Oh, because that's all it's going to do. There's no return. Okay. Let's get rid of this print. Yeah, equals. Oh, we got to put this outside the try, hey? We'll figure it out. Let's just go CPU usage. Was it update? What was it? Not update. What was it? Append? Oh, it was update. And then it was like this, right? Probably CPU usage. Oh, my brain fart. Apps proc ID. That's what it was. Here, apps proc ID and the process. Got it. I do have the chat open too, by the way. So I think it was just use CPU usage for mine. Yeah. CPU usage again. And that's all right. I think that's all we had it, right? We had it outside. I think that won't matter. Bam. There we go. Return CPU. I think that's it. That CPU might need to return memory too. So what we're trying to do is make these at the bottom go. Might need to make a VMAP too, because it looks like it's pulling that information out of this one function already, memory. Yeah, it's pulling it right here. VMAP. Same thing here, except for I'm gonna do multiple VMAPs. Control C, Control V, and we'll go equals V, space in there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. Copy 3 times. V, seriously. Enter, Control V. Enter, Control V. Okay. Set of memory capacity. One's in megabytes versus I'll take it. Memory usage. And free memory percentage. All right, we got VMAN. What's the last one that we need? VMAN. Oh, we got return. Sorry. Return CPU. We're gonna return VMAN. There we go. Page down this time. Sweet. That should have went. Oh. Equals. VMAN equals. CPU equals CPU. Sorry, fellas. I'm having my brain is just. What is this print host information function? Yeah, no, we don't want to do that. I want to say set of print. Say get. Wait. Sorry, I'm having a. So we need to put that because it's going to return CPU and memory. It's going to get host from main. There's host. Okay. But here's what I think. I think we need to put on CPU here. And then equals same thing. VMAN here. That might work. Stats title. I'll bring this before. I'll pick it up. Stats title. That's the function. Stats. TMA. There we go. I think I just did it like that last time. Maybe what did it get last time? Yep. And then, yeah, it's pulling up the steps HTML. Sweet. Oh, HD. So the last one that it is artist. I just saw data store. Data store. Here's what we'll do. Get rid of all this print. Wait, capacity. We want this though. Oh, it's right here. Capacity. Capacity. Humanize that natural. We might have to come back to, well, let's say, you know, print. Not print it well. Just get rid of this print. Delete. HD. HD. Open curly, oh, not too many. Now, what do I want to put here? Like the same thing. Free space, uncommitted space. Free space percentage. Yeah. That's what I'll do here. Plus capacity one. Then at this, yeah. So it's 4 of them. Still. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. 40 control V. I did that. Free space. Control C. Minute space. Control V. Uh-oh. Control V. All right, and free space. All right. Aaron HD. Think we're good. Oh, HD equals. What was it get?
For your get stats title function, you need to get the values.
Oh, dot values.
Yeah.
I didn't have that in this one,
Yes,
and
you
it
did.
worked.
Yes, you did.
Yep. Yep. Can't read. All right. Did I change it up there? Just get. Right. Nope. Right. So I want to do get data store. Get data store information. And pass in data store. Oh, data store's not in there though. What was it doing data store before? what I need to. Oh yeah, we might have to change that too. Yeah. Anyway, more importantly, I need to figure out how they get the data store from the connections. From the content. There you go, content. Google. Python. What was it? Service instance? Service instance. Let's see what I'm trying to look for. Retrieve content. Thought that was called service instance. Yeah, it is. Under the Smart Connect. Smart Connect service instance. Retrieve content. That's nothing. Data storage. Where data store? Right here. Get data store. Content that view manager contain. Create container. View manager. Where's it pulling content from? Okay, good. It's got the service instance. Context or content? Am I crazy? C-O-N. Oh, go left. C-O-N-T-E-N-T. Content. Thank you. Give me content. Okay. And that's it. Let's go now. Look at name. Data stores, content. Okay. Okay. The hell was I looking at? Said context. Content. Okay. Let's go back up to the data store one. It needs this one and view. Ooh, I don't know about that. We'll just call it regular 4. Statement. Sorry, looking at the wrong one. I just think we need data store for data store view. So we'll have to do another 4, just a 4 of this. All right. Stealing it away, baby. Get data store. That should be down there. Yeah, should be data store. Then the try should be the 4. Okay, sorry. I just. Right after content. Data store. Get. That's not gonna work. There we go. Okay. I think we're ready to rock and roll. Very well. This will be good. Think we're ready. Right, host information. Yeah, print host anymore. Oh, man, that was the only one. Let's now get. All right. Any more errors? All right. All ready? Let's see. Now we got to go to route app.py because I know I was about to forget the route. I know I was. Graham was ready. I know you was ready, Graham.
I was.
Like, bro, yeah, one more. All right. There we go. Oh, did I call it that? No, I should be calling the script. Got it. Sorry. Oh, wait a minute, because I'm not calling a function this time. Hey, I'm actually calling the file itself. Huh.
You can, or you can just call the main, right? Because your main's calling everything else.
Yeah, but is got it. So pull main from here. Let's just scroll up. So go here instead of get system stats. See, that's what it was pulling in here. I'm sorry, in this particular one. Get system stats. And it's pulling all of that. But yeah, you're right. It's now my main. So do I just put main right here? And from that file? Yeah. Hey. Yep. Yep. Yep.
However you
You're
want to
right.
do it, man.
Well, the next one is, of course, yeah, data. Right. So app has that. We just need to go down here to the route. Come on. Oh, it's right there. As soon as I was gonna do it, it's right there. That's wicked, right? I mean, because obviously you have the main so you can run the file alone, right? So when and if we get this thing working, well, we might need to come back to that. You know. So we're good on the route, or now route and status to main from get perform data. We're going to be pulling in these. Oh, that's what we got to change up on our template. Sorry, real quick. Just want to go to the top. And that's where we're pulling the main, and it's good. And then this one is no longer being used. All right, so we have to restart that. Maybe we don't have to do anything right away. Let's see if we have any errors. Okay.
Got to call it first.
Huh?
Got to call it first.
What do I need? No more than creds. It's back to the creds thing. What were you saying? But what do we have to call again? I'm sorry.
I was saying that you were happy because the app started, and I was like, well, you got to call it first.
Oh, right. Yeah, it definitely answered.
Those are no
So,
module name creds.
well,
no
it's the
module
same.
name
It's the
creds.
same thing, right? It's the same. You need to import from that top again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Literally, that. Remember what I said. I'm gonna say this again. You're gonna watch every single video. You're gonna be like, man, yeah, you did say that like a billion times. That this piece was what the hell is it? Art? Am I? Oh, do we not have it in here? Is that the problem?
Yeah,
Wait
it's not in there.
Wait a minute. Oh, got it. Because we don't have it in here. Right. So how did this one work then before?
What they get system stats?
Oh, we didn't need crits.
Because you're not using it.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. So we need crits. What was the one we used yesterday, right? Well, I'm sorry. What was the working one? That's the one I want to
Connected
steal.
vSphere.
This one right here, right? All of this, huh?
Sure.
Wati?
Maybe.
No, I think you're 100% on this. Flames. Let's go. Oh, that might need to be put in name. Oh, you're right. Why didn't it? Huh?
Oh, the same reason that it didn't before. Do you see that import sys path that is like hit or miss on whether or not it actually works?
So don't do this?
Yeah, don't do that.
Get rid of insist?
Yeah, you don't need sys either.
And so I'm gonna erase it from up here then.
Copy it from up there because you need the. I don't think you can just import creds. You need that from statement, and then you can get rid of everything.
Oh, see, senor. See, got it. But this I can get rid of, hey?
Yeah, you can get rid of the rest of it. Because it's all down there.
Yeah. But you're right. This part needs to switch it up. There we go.
Yeah. Now
Cool.
Now I should be happy.
Yay. All right. Let's go back to the danger. Hit refresh. Still no. And 200 in main. Line 228 in stats. Stats equals main.
It's still refreshing.
Oh. Well. Wrong one. Set with stat. What do you mean you want? Why not? Why not, man? Reasons. I love that. Here. All right. Oh, it came to bit us. I was hoping, I had no you, it didn't keep going. All right, let's video ID. Oh, but did it have content? Hold on, let's. Yeah, it did go again. Yeah. Did it have content? I just want to. Let's do that. Hey, Grant said be patient. Brett doesn't work.
Stop and start the server instance. and then Shift F5 that page.
Trace. Return. If content, yeah, I need a print. Oh, it's right here. I'm like, yeah, where's my print? Right here, bro.
It's right there.
Right, yeah. Okay. What do we want? Content. View it, right? Yep, I don't see no UUID. Which ones did we pull that way? See name, full name. Yeah, this. Oh, maybe it's instance UUID, but that's something about though, hey. So what was the one with root folder before? Let's just go take a quick look and see how this is parsing out. Real quick, control F, root folder. So it was calling out root folder, VM data store, then true. Let's go back to here, root folder. Data store. Service manager, perf manager, and that's what we're looking at, right? Because it should be all that context dot, and then it should be one of these, obviously. And that's why I think that do we pass instance? Oh, but see, it was under about though. So it'd be content dot about, and then we would be pulling this instance UUID. For instance, if that's the correlation to the UUID.
Yeah, but that's the instance
That-
UUID. That's not the
The
VM
VM,
UUID.
yeah, that's what I was thinking too, but I don't see VM like guest. Well, guest customization manager. See, I was looking for something like that. VM guest, minus the customization, of course. Virtual guest manager. That might be it. But VM, right? Guest should be guest operations manager. Yeah, you're right, because this is all vCenter. User directory sessions, authorize, performance, and this is what we want. Yes, customization.
There's not a. Is there a search index in there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, that's what you want for the UUID.
Oh, instead of UUID.
But that's the value that you're passing for UUID for the
So I
VM.
need context dot search index.
Yeah. So if you take a look, I'm gonna send you a link real fast. If you take a look at this link right here, where they're doing a search for VMs by the UUID, they're parsing that that specific argument, right? So they're going to service search index dot find by UUID. It's just underneath that where they're declaring VM.
Well, where does search index come from?
That
got it.
Yeah. So it's SI content dot search index in order to parse the UUID out of there. But it still doesn't.
Wait a minute. You have to have a UUID.
Yeah, that's what I was getting to next. That still doesn't alleviate
I was
us
wait a minute,
from having the UUID. But if we wanted to pull that information and pass it a UUID, we could.
But is it not? But is this one though, right? No? No, you're right. It's something else. It's VM dot. So search index. Yeah, but I think to your point, let's see X. X. Is it like that?
Well, you can't use context or content because you're doing si dot get content or whatever it is, right?
Hold on.
I forgot what you're declaring for content now. It's been
I
so
think I'm
long.
just doing SI content, nothing
Oh,
else.
okay.
But to your point, let's go look. Oh, it's down at the bottom.
You're using retrieve content.
Got it. Hmm.
Which
Oh,
is
that's go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
which is completely fine, right? Because we want to get the content, but I don't think you're going to be able to search.
Oh well, tree. Yeah, ID. Let's see if that.
Yeah.
But that's not working. Right? That, dictionary. Contact. Oh, what this is? Or UID equals VM. Not summary. Dot config UID. There you go. So it's in only an object view. Ooh, that's ugly. Start content. So only change it on the UID part. Right? Control C. Where am I? Oh, 4, sorry. Creative. Creative. Right. Crap. Can I not pass in UUID here?
You can do whatever you want, man. I don't know how you're going to call the actual UUID of the VM though. Kind of like a catch-22, right? So it wants us to pass in the UUID of the VM that we want to run it on, but we just want it to return the UUID of the VM.
Yeah, I was hoping in this ID should just be the VM summary.config. VM summary. And
Yeah.
VM comes from host comes from CL, CL comes from DC, DC comes from list, object.view. That's not bad. Okay. What was it? Content, VM type, and name. Root folder. This is what we need right here, right? VM configure UID. Okay, we're already connected. So I have this, right? Retrieve content. So I need this. Okay. Let's get object. We'll just get underscore object.
It's a function that they're using that they didn't show in their code, I'm guessing.
Oh, here
Right
it
there.
is.
Find get object.
Sorry. So what happens when you copy pasta?
Yeah, just plug it down above main. It'll be fine.
Am I doing this wrong?
I think your
Yeah, yes.
accept IO error isn't indented far enough. I think that goes with the LF.
I see what you mean. That didn't matter anyway. So that's no. It was good.
No.
Whatever. Don't. We're good. Sorry, that's my bad. I messed this up.
Okay.
Huh? Oh,
That'll do it.
yeah. Object main. Object. Object. VM. Where's inputs at? Inputs. Inputs. Not another inputs right here. I don't need inputs. There's user user. The higher common user. It's just user.
That's a great question.
Because inputs for them is just the vCenter user.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Yeah.
And then the next one is
I
input.
think ours is just user, right?
Yeah,
Ours
user
is
test.
just user. Just user. Bam. Okay, VM. Or data store.
All right, Mr. Run. I wish you the best of luck, but I'm gonna have to drop off.
Oh, no worries. No, it's all well.
But make sure you do a push. I'll do a poll later this evening and see what you got.
I shall. Yeah, is it broke? Because I want to make sure it's not broke. Well,
I mean, it's broke.
The other pieces aren't broke.
Oh no, the other pieces should be fun.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I guess that not broken enough that way you couldn't do anything until something else happened. All right. Yeah. All is well. Okay, buddy.
All right, y'all take it easy. Have a good
great
weekend.
long weekend. See you Tuesday.
Later.
See ya. I'm sad because I found out Mantech doesn't have President's Day off.
No way. Y'all got to work on Monday?
I think so.
That sucks, yo.
Yep. It's looking that way.
Hey,
Yeah.
we will not be on the call on Monday.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, we'll be working from home doing something, I'm sure.
Yeah. I'll go ahead and get out those tickets to the research ones that we spoke about. That sucks though, yo.
Yeah, it really does.
All right. All right, I'm saving this, but I know it doesn't work. Calling VM Prime. Where else is it calling VM? Oh, and get proc data. Shoot. Get proc data. Just retrieving content. Back to VM. So what do I have VM set up here? Pressing the user two, maybe? Get proc data. So I got content. Get proc data content. Now let me pass that. User? Maybe this will work. Let's reload the page. Content object has no attribute UUID. What line was that? 136 and get proc data. Okay. 36. Oh, just what we put in there. 136, get proc data. So there isn't one UUID. Oh, it wasn't content. I believe it was. Yes, ID, UUID, retrieve content. Then get object. Content. What am I missing? Content, passing in the content, passing in the user. Passing in content, passing in the user. VM.config. So VM it'll be .config. Okay. VM.config equals VM. Get contents. Let's just see if we can just print this part of it. Okay, let's just go like this. I need to make this Python 3. Right. Yeah. Let's see. Refresh. All right, I had no attribute config. Here we go. We need to pass in the object. Get object. Let's just pass it. We are. Yeah, we are. Passing in content. Has no parameter config. I wonder if this is a whole script. What version of PyVM? It doesn't say, of course. Did this already happen? Yeah, because content. That's it. Content. SI retrieve content. SI retrieve content. So maybe this is the it in the user. Okay, it has no view manager. Okay. Is the view manager data store? So it got here. Got all of the data store. There's no view manager. That's the only view manager. I can control F. Nope, there's another one. Oh, and get object. Got it. We're trying to call the container. It has no view manager. I think this is the old script. Let's go. I can already tell this is all. That looked like VI. That's the 3. Oh. Come on. Trying to click your reference, buddy. Be patient, Ron. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and say that was just an old one. Foobar.1. Let's look at another one. Content, retrieve content, same thing. Oops. Grab UIDs from ESXi machines. No, we don't want that. We want to grab it from the VMs. Yeah, this won't help us either. How long ago was this? 2018. Get out of here. Oh, 2021. The virtual machine, okay. HD. All right, what I'm looking to do here is figure out a different function. But look, this is going to take VM. I think I can get VM from. Go look. Where can I get VM from? So it's going to take in a VM and then do this operation. So my main. Get object isn't working. I don't think. F like this. HD equals. What's the number I just had? Yeah. So let's see. Let's see if this will fix itself. Let's see. Passing the user. Give me to use some data. VM. The VM. That's not going to satisfy VM. I don't think. Where's this? Oh. Get rid of it. Delete. There we go. Where? Save. Let's go back here. Refresh. Type has not attribute. Line 203. Get object. Yep. 203. Manager. This isn't a thing. Do we need get object? Yeah. Content. Damn type. Non-type object has no attribute view manager. Object was not. That's right. Okay. Get object. What we call it? Get object. Right here. Four of them. Two. Yeah, because I'm not passing in it right here. So I think this is where I'm. Said 203, didn't it? No. Pulling in the right libraries. I'm pulling in that Vim library. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am right here. All right. Whew. Doesn't say what libraries he was pulling in. You know what, fellas? I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. It's 5 o'clock on Friday. I'm gonna go ahead and.
Yeah, it's time to start that long weekend for you.
Yeah. I'm like, yeah, I'm done. Again, definitely appreciate this. We will not, of course, be doing this Monday. I'll go ahead and put some stuff up in Jira so y'all can look at that. But definitely Tuesday we'll get back to this.